now presenting the most awaited and signature event of the evening, the Epic of Karna.
then, Bhim. You sit there. You, out. Bhim, when someone mocks you, never feel ashamed of yourself. I know who you are. You're brave, strong, and noble.
Thank you, mother.
Children, where are you all going? Arjuna, tell me where are you all going?
Mother, our Guru Dronacharya
Dronacharya?
has arranged a skill demonstration in Hastinapur.
Hastinapuram? No, you should not go there.
I know why you are worried. You are thinking about Duryodhana, aren't you? As long as Bhima is here, no one can harm my brothers.
No, Bhima, do not speak like that. Violence is never the answer. You should not go there. Please stay here.
Mother, please, do not be worried. We'll go and return safely.
No, my child.
Please, Mother, trust us.
No, Sahadeva.
Please, Mother, we'll go and return safely. Trust us.
All right. Go. But promise me you'll return safely.
I promise, Mother, we'll go and return safely. Trust us.
Okay.
Thank you, Mother.
Duryodhana, the long exile of Pandavas ends today.
So what should we do, uncle?
If they ask their kingdom back means,
Ask for the kingdom. Put a dare. Why a start here?
Duryodhana, no. Already Panchali's curse is troubling us. Give their country to them.
No, mother. They'll not even get a handful of sand from this country. No.
Maharaj,
Today, what's the problem for you?
the Lord Krishna has arrived.
Krishna, let him enter.
Thank you, Gandhari.
What brings you here, Krishna?
To ask what is rightfully theirs, the Pandavas' kingdom.
No!
I seek none of your will. Give back what belongs to them.
No, Krishna. They'll not get their kingdom back.
I ask not for your share. Give back what belongs to them.
They'll not even get a handful of sand from this country.
Krishna, I think you forgot the rules of the competition.
No, Karna. I remember everything. I came to return back what belongs to them.
Krishna, no. They'll not get their kingdom back. You may leave.
Is this your final decision?
No. One condition. You have your sister, Panjali, right? Your lovable sister, Panjali. As he said, if you defeat me and my brother in the war of Kurukshetra, I'll return all your wealth back. This is my decision. Will Lord Krishna accept my decision? Are you prepared for the war?
So, okay. Prepare for Kurukshetra.
Inform those Pandavas that Duryodhana is ready for the war.
well done, Duryodhana. Well done. Not only you cast them this many years exile, now we are trying to completely destroy them. But we need a good leader, right? Karna. No, you are just a little boy. Bhishma, will you lead the army?
Uncle, Karna is the one who lead the army in the Kurukshetra war. Not Bhishman.
Is this even possible? Karna has just joined us now. He knows nothing about the plan. How can we trust him to lead us?
No, Karna will lead the army.
Do not make it's such a hasty decision. Do not rely upon Karna for the war.
Bhishma has to lead.
Yes, Yuvraj, Bhishma should. He shall lead us with unwavering clarity through the war. So he would be leader.
Then what should I do?
That's what everyone keeps saying. I am the one who must lead the war. Why don't
believe you.
You are going for work. Are you not? Are you out of your mind? He is a charioteer's son, a person with no identity. How could you believe him? The Raja Dhritarashtra will never be okay with your decision. What Bhishma is saying is right. Karna and Duryodhana should obey. Thank you. Karna. Karna. Karna.
Yes, Bhishma.
I pity you. Do you want to stand at the very back, fight for safety, and die there?
What are you saying, Bhishma? No one dares to touch me. Do you think that I'll remain behind while others fight in my stead? Are you testing my patience? If you dare, take your sword and fight with me.
Bhishma, wait!
No, Duryodhana. Until Bhishma is alive, I will not join the war. This is my final decision.
Karna, wait, Karna! Karna, wait! Everyone! Everyone! Listen to me carefully! From this moment, I am your king! You must obey my commands! Not only you, but also Arjuna, Bhima, Nakula, Samadeva, Dharma, those 5 Pandavas, they'll soon become my slaves! And not just them, the entire kingdom of Hastinapura will bow before me!
Excellent, Duryodhana! Excellent! These words fill my heart with joy! Just as you said, bring those 5 Pandavas and throw them at your feet! This is my promise!
Thank you, uncle. But you are mistaken. Those 5 Pandavas, they'll not simply come to my feet. They'll remain under my feet forever, until the rest of their life, until their very, very last breath. Let the whole kingdom hear my words. Anyone who dares to challenge Duryodhana shall tremble in fear.
Excellent, Duryodhana!
Hey, Duryodhana! Hey! Your Majesty, the 5 Pandavas has arrived. They are about to participate in the competition. Oh, let them come. I will face them.
Dronacharya! Where are your students?
What are you asking about, Sagni?
Arjuna! Bhiman! Nagulan! Samadevan! And Dharman! Are they afraid to compete with my nephew? Or else did they run away?
Sagni! This is not the time for your tricks. First of all, tell me, where is your nephew?
Patience, Acharya! He will be here at any moment!
Why do you look so displeased today?
Because of your intentions, Duryodhana. Your intentions. It seems no different.
Intentions? Can anything just be achieved by words, Acharya? Uncle, Shaguni uncle, where are those Pandavas? Did they run away?
It does seem so, Duryodhana. Even fear makes brave disappear.
Why are you so serious, Acharya?
Maharaj,
What?
they have
What's
arrived.
going? Who?
The Pandavas.
The Pandavas. Finally, they mustered some courage, I think so. Let them come. I will handle it.
Pranam Gurudev, Aishman Bhava. What, Duryodhana? Seem very relaxed.
Why shouldn't I be, Bhima? I'm perfectly at ease. It's you, the Pandavas, who look so tired and defeated.
Oh, really? Since when did you become judge of other fate?
Mind your words, Bhima. Know your limits before talking in front of me.
This is nothing, Duryodhana. The real game is yet to begin.
Is that so? Uncle, Shaguni uncle, shall we begin the test?
Of course, my friends. Let us begin.
Start! Hey!
Is this all, Duryodhana? Have you something more to offer?
Don't talk too much, Bhima. Here, I send 2 warriors. If you're careful, defeat them.
Send as much you wish.
Enough, Bhima!
What happened to you, Duryodhana? Are you afraid now?
Dharma!
Yes, I am Dharma. What happened to you? I want to seek a true worthy parent. Address the one you should say.
Fine. Tell him to come forward with Kismo.
Oh, Duryodhana, are you feeling shy?
Arjuna, what is this display?
Duryodhana, this is Dhanurvidya, the art of archery. The very skill I have taught to my dear student. Now, at least accept this truth. No one here can match Arjuna. Is there any true warrior here? Here, let him step forward and prove his strength. I accept the challenge. I am Karna, the son of a chariot. A chariot son? What is he doing here? I came to copy, nothing more. Copy? With one crime. This contest is the princess of royal blood. You do not belong here. Leave at once. Leave! Leave! Leave!
Silence! Karna, sit here. Sit here, Karna. Everyone, mark my words. From today, Karna is not just a warrior. He's my dearest friend. This man, my home of the death, belongs to Karna. And not only that, I declare Karna is the king of Anga.
Maharaj, sorry. I came here to prove my worth, not to seek a crown or wealth.
Karna, today you accept not just a throne, but my friendship. Sit here. Sit here, Karna. Who is there? crown.
Duryodhana, you are only a prince. Such decision belongs to the king.
Okay. Let the king decide.
Father denies his own son's decision. Maharaj, what is your decision?
My son's decision is my decision. From now, Karna is the king of Anga.
From today, Karna is the king of Anga. Karna! Karna! Karna!
What troubles you, my dear nephew?
Nothing, uncle. Only a fire that will not wait. My vengeance brings that Pandavas.
Deities, Karna stands with you, right?
Uncle, Karna is my friend, not my weapon.
Then revenge will take time unless you play wisely. Come, I have a plan. Think about it.
Duchana! Yes, brother. Swear to me that whatever I ask, you will do it. Brother, just promise. Yes, I promise. Go, bring Panchali to the royal court at once. No, brother, I cannot. You gave your word, Duchana. Don't force me to do this. Enough. Do as I command. Hey, Panchali! From today, your husbands are my slaves. Your pride, your kingdom, everything is mine. I'll give you one chance. If you want, bow before me. Maybe I shall show some mercy. Or else,
12 years of exile and 2 years in hiding.
Stop it, Duryodhana! Pride like yours will never last. Brother, you too will drag me here without even seeing me as a woman. Tell me what wrong have I done to you? The Pandavas stand silent. This entire court stand as witness to my humiliation. You're the one who planned to drag me here, and he dragged me into this court. The Pandavas could do nothing other than stand and watch it. Hastinapura itself is watching this injustice. But hear me now. We'll go into exile for 12 years and 2 years in hiding, as Shaguni says. But when we return, there'll be a war in Kurukshetra. And in that war, Pandavas will destroy Duryodhana, what did he say? Will we get our kingdom back? Can we go there and live happily? Krishna,
No, Devi. Duryodhana is playing a game.
what do you mean?
He won the war, the Kurukshetra war.
For what?
Only then will restore our kingdom.
War means many will die.
Yes?
Don't be silly, Krishna.
I am not joking. Sakini started this game, Pandavas were trapped and Panchali was humiliated. Now tell me, who is really playing this game? You take care of your kingdom. I am leaving.
Stop, Krishna. What should I do?
Call the Pandavas.
Greetings, Krishna.
Bless you. Listen carefully. The Kurukshetra war is about to begin and Duryodhana must be defeated.
Why, Krishna?
Only then you will restore your kingdom, but through war.
I do not want war, Krishna.
Why?
Countless lives will be lost.
Enough! We will face the war. Either they fall or we do. Prepare for the war, Krishna. We are going for combat training. What are you afraid of, Devi? What worries you? What's the problem?
We do not want war, Krishna.
This is dharma and fate. This must happen this way.
No, Krishna. Karna is on Duryodhana inside. Defeating him will be difficult.
So, that is your concern. Tell me the truth. Before marriage, you had a child. Did you not?
Yes. How do you know?
I know everything. Do you know where the child is now?
Where?
He's in Hastinapuram with Duryodhana, the great warrior Karna.
Karna? Karna is my son. I abandoned him in the river. What have I done? He must have searched for me. He would have been hurt and angry.
If Karna joins our side, the war becomes easier.
How will he come?
Go to him, say the truth, console him, bring him back.
Will he come?
Then ask for two promise. First one, he should not kill anyone except Arjuna. And second one, he should not use Nahastra more than once. Devi, there is no time to waste. Go meet him.
Kunti Devi, please come in. What would you like to have? I do not want anything, Karna. I came to meet you. Please sit. Tell me, what do you want? There is something I must ask. Yet, do not misunderstand me. What do you wish to ask? Is it regarding the Kurukshetra war? Is it about sparing Arjuna's life? He is my greatest enemy. One of us must fall, either him or me. Please, do not come in between us. Not that, Karna. Then what? Do you know where are your parents? I don't know. Do you know where your father is? I don't know. Your mother? I don't know. How many times should I tell you? Please, I don't know where my parents are. Tell me, what do you want? I am your mother, Karna. Mother? No, you're not my mother. You're lying. No, Karna. I am your mother. You're mistaken. Tell me, what do you want? I am your mother. What proof do you have? This is the proof. Everyone questioned me. Tell me, why did you leave me? Please forgive me, Karna. Please forgive me. I did not do it intentionally. It was because of the situation. I don't know who you are. You are not my mother. Tell me, what do you want? Karna, come with me as a king. Your brothers will stand with you. Do not remain with Duryodhana. He is not a good man. Who is not right? Him? Where were you? All these years, when the whole world mocked me, he was the one who stood with me. He was the only one. How can I leave him? If my death serves him, I will embrace it happily. I will not come. Karna, do not think me as your mother. Think me as someone apart. And give me 2 promises. Okay. What is it? First, you should not kill anyone except Arjuna. I will not kill anyone except Arjuna. What is next? Second, you should not use the Nagastra more than once. Alright, I will not use it more than once. This is my promise. You may go. But wait. What is it? For all these years, I have been a giver. But for the first time, I ask something from you. Please, grant me 2 wishes. Yes. Until the war ends, you should not tell anyone that I am your son. Especially to Arjuna. What is the second one? I don't know if you will be able to fulfill it. But after the war ends, you should let me rest on your lap for a final moment. You should mourn for me in front of this whole Hastinapuram. You should say, Karna! I said Karna! Please, open your eyes. Look at me, Karna. You should cry in front of your whole Hastinapuram. You should tell them that I am your son. Please. Let me be with Karna. Forgive me. I did not do it intentionally. Please come with me. I will not come. Do not remain with Duryodhana. It's not good. I cannot come. Alright. I promise. Sorry. Oh, my generous one. Who are you? What brings you here?
I heard about your generosity. I need a favor.
It is my duty to give. Tell me, what do you want?
Before I ask, promise me that you will grant me what I wish.
I promise. Ask.
I want your armor and earring.
Okay. Duryodhana.
Noted here, Indra.
I know. Are you happy now?
Your generosity is beyond compare. Even the gods are humble.
You may go in peace. What is this, Duryodhana?
It's all because of Arjuna. He did it.
Until I kill Arjuna, my anger will not rest.
Karna, you do not belong here. Your noble God go back to your mother.
Bhishma, I am not ready to leave. Tomorrow is the 17th day. Prepare everything. I will lead the army.
Okay, Karna.
What are you thinking, Arjuna? We do not seek war. By shedding so much blood, we do not deceive our land. Why? Wasn't you aware of this all these days? Stop, Arjuna. The 17th day of war, and you must win this battle. No, Krishna. This is battle between Dharma and Adharma. So don't see who's in front of you, even if it is your own blood relation.
Come on, Arjuna. I've been waiting for you so long.
What, Karna? Your voice is too loud today.
Krishna, if you are a chariot, do that work alone. Do not come to advice.
Start the war. Soldiers, start attacking.
Brothers, let's attack them!
Hey, Bhima.
Hey, Duryodhana!
Duryodhana,
Come, let's move to the house! People are fighting there! Arjuna will take care of these boats!
Karna, I'll follow them. Take care of Arjuna.
you proceed, Duryodhana. I will handle this. Chariot, turn the chariot to the north side.
No, Karna, we will go straight.
Just do as I say.
No, Karna, I won't. I'm not your slave.
Hey, chariot, stop. I will ride my own chariot. Hey, move.
Arjuna, listen carefully. Karna is helpless now. Let your arrow decide his fate.
Karna, Nagastra should not be used more than once.
Why is he still standing? We have to make countless arrows. Let me check, Arjuna. Oh, how can Dharma descend into decide? How does Dharma answer for the blood of the countless fallen? How can I ask Karna for anything right now? I'll come later, Karna.
Hey, stop. Tell me, what do you want?
No, Karna. I will come later. It is not the moment to ask.
Tell me, what do you want?
I will ask you, Karna, but you must give it to me.
I promise. Ask whatever I have right now.
Give me all the virtues you have done all so far.
I am happy with what you have asked. You have asked for the one thing I truly have right now. I will give it. Ah! Come here. Everything that I have done, I give it to you.
Thank you, Karna.
வடிவெடுக்க என்னையில மோசமாய் என் கதையோ முடிஞ்சது ஏன் சொல்லம்மா வசத்துல பத்திரமா வச்சிருக்க மாசம் 10 ஆகும் முன்ன மடிஞ்சது யார் குத்தமம்மா உன் முகத்தை நான் அறிய என் முகத்தை நீ அறிய காலம் ஒன்று சேரும் காத்திருந்த உள்ளுக்குள்ள தாயே நீ முத்தமிட தாங்கிய தொட்டிலிட ஆசைப்பட்ட என் பொறப்பு
You killed my son. No, I didn't kill him. I don't want anything else in this world. I only want my son. I didn't kill him. Please give my son's life back to me.
சாஞ்சு தூங்க
I didn't kill him.
பள்ளிக்கூடம் போகலையே பால் நிலவ தாங்களையே என்ன தந்த அப்பனா
Forgive me.
எரடுத்து பார்க்கலையே மண்ணை
Don't leave me alone, Karna.
அள்ளிக்குள்ள
Don't leave me like this.
தப்பு ஒன்றும் செய்யலையே
Karna.
தொல்லை தர எண்ணலையே கூடிழந்த கொஞ்சம் கிளி
Mother.
குலாரதென்ன
Mother. Mother. Mother.
எடுக்க என்னையில
Karna. Forgive me. I didn't do it intentionally. Karna. Open your eyes, Karna. Speak to me. Call me. Mother. My son. Wake up, Karna. Just one.
எடுக்க என்னையில
For the last time. Call me. Mother.
மோசமாய் என் கதையோ முடிஞ்சது ஏன் சொல்லம்மா பசத்துல ஓமயத்தில்
You killed my son. No. Give him back to me right now. I can't. Why? You were not concerned when you abandoning him in the river. You are the one who caused his death. Because of your action and your choice, all this happened. Now you're asking me to bring him back. I can't. He's gone. Let him rest. Not only them, even I took everything from you, Karna. Please forgive me, Karna. You're really great. You're really great, Karna. Your name will live in this world forever, even if your body does not. Krishna, please give us soul. I can't, Devi. Please, Krishna. I can't. Krishna. I can't, Devi.
தோல் சாஞ்சு
Karna.
பள்ளிக்கூடம்
The epic of Karna was nothing short of perfection. A powerful portrayal that truly touched our hearts and brought the legend alive on the stage.
Hello. Hello. This is the story of Mahabharata. Yes. Is Karna the hero of this play? Yeah. Okay. hungry, right? Don't forget, eat it. Hey, wait! What is your name? I am Karna.